undaunted. Undaunted. To understand this word, let's begin with the root word daunt, which is a verb. If you are daunted by something, you are frightened or worried about it. For instance, if the task is too big, you might feel you will not be able to achieve it. You are daunted by it. Passing this exam is a daunting task. Sometimes you are very confident, and with dauntless courage and optimism, you carry on with your work and you get success. Now let's try to understand the word undaunted. It means determined despite obstacles. You remain undaunted. Another example, undaunted by the terrible weather, he continued his journey. Here there is an interesting idiom, nothing daunted. For instance, he failed thrice, but nothing daunted. He tried again and he achieved success. I hope you work undauntedly on improving your English. I am your friend Dharmendra, founder Fluentlingua, Surat.